Do you love Blender or Cinema 4D and want to level up your skills? Join my class Balloon 3D Typography and discover how to make 3D typography no matter which software you prefer. I'm Evelyn Salazar, a 3D designer from Lima, Peru. With over 6 years of experience, I've worked at Studio Anguash and several studios in Lima. My passion for 3D design has helped me to develop a variety of techniques. I'm excited to share my knowledge with future 3D artists. In this class, you'll learn to create amazing 3D balloon typography using Blender and Cinema 4D. We'll focus on specific techniques in Blender, the materials and the lighting. User app will work simply in both platforms. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this class will help you turn your ideas into stunning 3D art. This class is perfect for beginners and 3D enthusiasts, as well as professionals looking for new techniques and skills. You don't need to have experience in 3D for participate in this class. Just have Blender installed on your computer and if you want Cinema 4D. The great thing is that you can do everything in Blender, and if you are already familiar with it, you can complete the whole class using this software. Of course, you'll also need a passion for learning and experimenting. Our class will be divided into 5 main lessons: selecting your theme and perfecting typography, mastering 3D Blender typography techniques, importing Blender models, lighting techniques in Cinema 4D, materials and rendering in Cinema 4D. By the end of this class, you'll have created a fantastic 3D balloon typography using your favorite word. I can't wait to start this creative journey with you. See you in the first lesson.